Good morning, everyone. It is an electromagnetic field subject introduction. Electromagnetism, electricity, and magnetism are different facts of electromagnetism. A moving electric charge produces magnetic fields. Changing magnetic field moves electric charges. This connection first illustrated by Faraday and Maxwell. Einstein saw electricity and magnetism as frame dependent facts of unified electromagnetic force. Magnetic field from electricity. A static distribution of charges produces an electric field. Charges in motion. An electric current produces a magnetic field. Electric current is an example of charges, electrons in motions. This diagram shows how magnetic field and electric field moves. Electric current moves. Electromagnetics. Arranging wires in a coil and running a current through produces a magnetic field that looks like a lot of like a bar magnet. This is called an electromagnet. Putting a real electromagnetic inside can solve the man back and forth depending on the current directions called a solenoid. Electromagnetic radiation, interrelated electric and magnetic field traveling through space. All electromagnetic radiations travels through the velocity of 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second in vacuum and cosmic speed limit. The real number as shown in the PPT. Examples of electromagnetic radiations: AM and FM radio waves, including TV signals, cell phone communication links, microwaves, infrared radiation, light, X rays, gamma rays. What distinguishes this from one another is the rectangle coordinate system, which having the three coordinates x, y, and z, having three dimensions x vector, y vector, z vector. Cylindrical coordinate systems. In the cylindrical coordinate system, three variables available r, radius, theta, angle, and z. Z is same as the rectangle coordinate system. Spherical coordinate system. In the spherical coordinate system, it's having the value of r, theta, pi. R is same like that of cylindrical coordinate system. Theta also same like that of cylindrical coordinate system. Pi is a the special variable for the spherical coordinate system as shown in the diagram. Here del V equal to dou V by dou x plus dou V by dou y ay plus dou V by dou z az for Cartesian coordinate system, and volume del V equal to dou V by dou rho A rho 1 plus rho V by dou pi A pi plus dou V by dou Z A Z for cylindrical coordinate system. For spherical coordinate system, del V equal to dou V by dou R A R plus 1 by R dou V by dou theta A theta plus 1 by R sin theta dou V by dou pi A pi. It's for Cartesian, cylindrical, and spherical coordinate system is a line charge, surface charge, and volume charge. V of r equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught integral over L rho L r dash dl dash modulus of r minus r dash. For a surface charge, V of r equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught over surface integral rho s r dash ds r minus r dash. And for volume charge, it is volume integral 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught volume integral rho v r dash dv dash modulus of r minus r dash. Here it is an rho v variable for volume, rho s variable some surface, rho l variable for line. It is a surface and volume integral. Diagram shows the surface and volume integral. From mathematical description, we can write it as for surface integral volume equal to area into ds, rho s into df. For a mathematical expression, volume integral is integral rho v dv. As a result, a measure of total flux from vector field passing through a given surface is a surface integral. A measure of a total effect of scalar function, that is temperature inside a screen volume. It is a volume integral. Information required for a vector field expressions A, surface expressions. For an volume integral, scalar functions rho v, volume expression. Integral limits depends upon the volume for volume integral. Integral limits depends upon the surface for surface integral. Thank you.